Welcome to the Photo Storefront, where it's fun and easy to order your yearbook and create custom yearbook ads. You may also be able to support your school by ordering a variety of personalized, high-quality, custom photo products. This tutorial will give you a basic overview of how to get started, how to create a product, and how to place an order. The products and features available in your particular store may differ from what's shown here. To get started, you'll be prompted to create an account or log into an existing account in order to place an order from the site. You can click on Terms and Conditions up in the toolbar to view our privacy policy and other guidelines for terms of use. To order your school yearbook, click on the yearbook category. Then simply click the Order button below the book you'd like to order. You'll be prompted to log in to complete your order. If you don't have an account, click here and follow the instructions to create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your username and your password and click the Login button. Your yearbook has now been placed in our secure online shopping cart. Simply click the Checkout button and follow the steps to enter your billing and shipping address, as well as your credit card information. On the final page, be sure to enter your student's name when prompted. Yearbooks will be delivered to your student at the end of the school year. It's really as easy as that. You can click the Home button to return to the main page and browse other products. You can order products that have already been designed for you, such as logo merchandise for your school, by clicking on the Ready-Made category. Browse the available products and click on the Order button below the product you'd like to drop in the cart. Then again, just like with the yearbook, simply follow the steps to check out. For some products, you might see an Edit button below the product. In this case, you'll have the ability to customize the product before you place it in the cart, such as by adding your own photo or text. All other products can be customized as well by selecting from a set of professional templates and then adding your own photos and text. To give you an idea of how it works, I'll walk through the process of creating a yearbook ad. First, I'll click on the Yearbook Ads category. Then below the product, I'll click where it says Click to make this product. For most products, you might have some different options to choose from at this point. In the case of yearbook ads, I'll choose the size of the ad I'd like to create. And then I'll click OK. Now you'll be prompted to give a name to your product. This allows you to save it in your account, to reorder, or continue working on it on a later time. Enter a name and then click OK. On the next step, you'll be able to browse and choose the available templates for your ad or for your other product category. The software contains a variety of templates in different categories that you can browse. You can click on a template to view a larger preview of the template. To select a template, simply click on the one you'd like to use. You can change your template selection later on and try out different variations. On the next step, the design page will load, and you'll first be prompted for a selection of photos. You have two tabs of photos. My photos are photos that have already been uploaded and organized in my account. If you don't have any photos yet, you can click on the New Folder button, and then click on the Upload Photos button and follow the instructions to very easily upload a selection of photos from your computer. You can create multiple folders and rename your folders to keep all of your photos organized. You can also log directly into your Facebook account by clicking on the Facebook tab. This will provide access to all the photos that are in your Facebook account. Once you've selected a folder of photos you'd like to use, click the OK button. Now you see your basic template design in the middle, with your photos that you selected on the right, and a toolbar along the top. To get started, simply select a photo and just drag and drop it into one of the image slots. If you don't like a particular photo or you want to change it out, drag another one in its place. For each photo, you'll see a toolbar above it that provides all kinds of different editing functionality. For example, if you click on the Crop tool, you can recrop your photo and then click Apply to have the crop take effect. You have Undo and Redo buttons up here the ability to add custom text boxes, and view all kinds of other options. To add text, simply click on a text box and type in your text. You'll have the ability to choose from a couple of hundred different fonts, font size, and alignment. Click Apply to apply your text. You can do the same with other text boxes that are available, or again, you can add your own custom text box as well. If you'd like to change a theme, select the Themes tab, and you can choose from all the different templates that are available. If I drag and drop a different template, my text will reflow, and so I can view all kinds of different options. That's how easy it is to create an ad and other custom photo products. Feel free to experiment with all of the available tools and all the available templates. When you're done, you can click on the Order button and drop your ad into the shopping cart. Yearbook ads will automatically be transmitted to the yearbook staff for inclusion in the yearbook. So once you've made your payment for the yearbook ad, there's nothing else that you need to do. As we mentioned before, yearbooks will be delivered to your school at the end of the school year. All other products will be shipped to your home at the shipping address that you provided. Thank you again for using the Storefront and for supporting your school. We hope you enjoy the site and the products that you order. Please click the contact link on the home page if you have any additional questions.